Welcome to our introduction to anatomy. So we're going to discuss about the anatomy and physiology. We'll be defining anatomy and physiology. We will discuss divisions of human anatomy and scope of each division. We will describe the anatomical position and state examples of different anatomical plane. Okay. And defining anatomy, it's the branch of science that deals with the study of the structure of the body. Only deals with structure of the body. For the human anatomy, it's the branch of science that deals with the study of the structure of the human body. On the other hand, physiology is a branch of science that deals with the study of functional processes within the body of the living organism. The process can be digestion, respiration, circulation, and other things. Pathology, it's this branch of science that focuses on the structure and functional alterations within as a human body, maybe at a cellular level, tissue level, or even anything underlying disease processes. Divisions of human anatomy are three. We have gross, studying the structure that can be seen by naked eyes. Minute structures are studied by the microscope under microscopic anatomy. Then we have developmental anatomy or embryology. So in the gross anatomy, of course, we need to know every structure of the body, can do it topographically. That is from region, the head, neck, thorax, abdomen, limbs, that is lower and upper limbs. Or we do it systematically, that is digestive, respiratory, and circulatory systems, etc. Hybrid is mixed, where someone mix both topographic and also the systemic anatomy. Mostly for surgeons, it's very important to master the topographic anatomy as well as the systemic anatomy. So topographic anatomy is the structure of the body, studying the structure of the body according to regions, as I mentioned earlier. It is head, you can study head, neck, trunk, thorax, axe, chest, abdomen, pelvis, or back on the trunk. Upper limb, we need to know the pectoral region, shoulder region, brachium, forearm, antebrachium, hand, that is palm and dorsum. And then the lower limb, we need to know gluteal region, thigh, leg, and foot. Hierarchical organization, the smallest unit in a body, of course, they say it's a cell, but hierarchical organization, atoms come together to form molecules come together to form macromolecules, which then form organelles, which are small little organs. Then the organelles come together to form a cell. A cell come together to form a tissue that perform similar functions. Organs come together to form an organ and organ systems. We have 11 or 13 organ system: circulatory, muscular, articular, nervous, endocrine, digestive, respiratory, cardiovascular, that is circulatory system, included hematological system, lymphatic system, respiratory system, tegmental system, and urinary. So for circulatory system, we can put these three in one, but you have 10 system, but you can also put each one of it like separately. So skeletal system supports the body, enables the movement with muscular contractions, can enable movement, and is made of cartilages, bones, and joints. Muscular system enables movement with helping maintain body temperatures, made up of skeletal muscles and tendons. So muscular system and skeletal system together they form musculoskeletal system. Nervous system helps in coordinating and regulating body functions. It also regulate body functions to maintain homeostasis, made up of peripheral and central nervous system, that is the brain and spinal cord. Endocrine coordination and integration of body functions, regulate the body and maintain homeostasis, made up of the adrenal gland, thyroid gland, all those glands in the human body. Cardiovascular pumps blood, the rest of the body tissues. Also offers endocrine functions, made up of heart and blood vessels. Hematology transports substances to and body tissues. Immune functions and also maintain homeostasis, made up of the monocytes, eosinophils, basophils. It is white blood cells or red blood cells or platelets. Lymphatic system also offers immune function and also hemopoiesis, absorption of fats, made up of cervical lymph nodes, lymphatics of the mammary gland, lumbar lymph nodes, pelvic lymph nodes, lymphatics of the lower limb, and so forth and so forth. The digestive system helps in body substances, digesting body substances, and also removes waste products from undigested food, detoxification, excretory functions, made up of the stomach, the liver, also the gallbladder and other things. Respiratory system, on the other hand, is an exchange of gas, phonation, that sound, olfaction, the smell, and also acid-base balance. It also offers endocrine functions, that is nasal passage, one of the components of the respiratory system, trachea, lungs, bronchi, and other things. Urinary system, excretory functions, and endocrine functions, also offers a small regulatory of blood pressure, made up of kidney, ureters, blood, and urethra. Reproductive system in male produces sex hormones and also delivers gametes. In female produces sex hormones, supports embryo, fetal until birth, and also produces milk for infant, made up of mammary glands in female, ovaries and uterus. In male, made up of epididymis, testes. Integumentary system helps in protection, thermoregulation, immune system, sensory function, excretory function, and we can have hair, skin, and nails as part of the integumentary system. That was gross anatomy. Microscopic anatomy, it is the study of minute things, structure that can't be visualized by the naked eyes, hence we require the microscope. We have two types of microscope, as light and electron microscope. And these can help in studying cells, that is cytology, or tissue, that is histology. The scope of cytology involves cell structure, cell adaptation, cellular genetics, and cell cycle and division. Scope of histology focuses on the four basic types of tissues: epithelial, connective tissue, and skeletal tissue. For the developmental anatomy, it's the study of perinatal development processes from conception till it's born. Focuses mostly on studying the normal and abnormal. It's before conception, gametogenesis, fertilization, and after conception, we have pre-embryonic, that is from week 1 to 2, embryonic with 3 to 8, then fetal period, that is week 9 till birth. Yes, so we can just discuss something about anatomical position. It is when someone is standing erect with their hands on the sides of the trunk, hanging, not like they are on the body, hanging on the sides of the trunk. Legs are straight apart, and the toes are foot is facing forward. The palm is also facing forward. The eyes are facing forward straight. It is an anatomical position. We can have anatomical terms of direction where it helps to describe the relation of one body part to another. And we have several. We can say the body is superior superior, meaning it's above another body part. For example, the nose is superior to the chin. Inferior is below another body part. That, for example, the stomach is inferior to the pelvis. The superior is above, that is the nose is above the chin. Then the inferior is below, that is the pelvis is inferior to the stomach. I interchanged here. Medial, that is toward the midline. The sternum is medial to the shoulders, or medial to the breast tissue, or medial to the lungs. Lateral, towards the side. The ears are lateral to the nose, or the nose is lateral to the eyes, etc. Superficial is above, towards the surface. The skin is superficial to the heart. Ventral is to the front, mostly used in the perinatal stage. The toes are ventral to the anterior or anterior to the heel. Dorsal is back. The spine is dorsal to the posterior side. Proximal is near the trunk region. We can describe the elbow is proximal to the wrist, and also distal for extremities away from the trunk, that is the toes are distal to the knee. Anatomical plane help in cutting. It's an imaginary line that cuts the body into either two halves. The sagittal plane cuts the body into left and right. Can be mid-sagittal, that is equal, or parasagittal, that is unequal, left and right. We have frontal, cuts the body into anterior and posterior, and transverse gets the body into superior and inferior.